Hey everybody, welcome back to this video. It's all about this. If you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're actually going to be doing a tutorial of this palette. I have always talked about this palette of saying that I'll be doing a look of it, but then I have wondered how should I do it. I was very scared to do it because I didn't know how to work with all these colors right here. But this palette is actually from Rimmel London. It's called the Magnify Electric Violet Edition. I thought at first it was gonna be all blue, but it's actually no. It's all purple colors. It doesn't come with a mirror. It came with a little brush, but I'm not gonna use the brush because the brush is ugly. So look at all these colors. It comes with blues, with a bunch of purples, shimmers and maids, really pretty colors in a black. Few light browns, as I can see right here. But they don't come with any names, and in the back it shows like a tutorial how to do it, but we're gonna do it our way. Of course, I'm gonna do some swatches. There's some really pretty colors. Like the colors are really nice. So it comes with blue, greens, really nice green, purples, some light browns, and some shimmers, like shimmer bright, like right here. But it's such a pretty color. I got this as a Christmas present, and I wasn't sure how to use it. So of course we're gonna use it right now. We're gonna create a pretty look like you see right here. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. There's gonna be some crying, some fucking up, some mess up colors, but it's okay. We're gonna be trying to do a look. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to comment below what you think about this video. I hope it's a good video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so on this eye I used the Lashes eyeshadow primer, and on here I used the Cookie Cosmetics Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. They're both at very like potent, like really bad. So okay, let's see how they taste. Wow, both concealer and eye primer, they're really good coverage. Okay, so let's see how they do with the eyeshadows. So the palette comes with all these colors right here. I was first asking for blue eyeshadow, but then I noticed that it comes with purple. Purple is actually my favorite color. But I see that it comes with this ugly ass brush, and we're not gonna reuse this brush, so we're gonna throw it away. In the package shows you how to use it, but we don't follow rules. So first I'm gonna start with this color right here, and then we're gonna prep that eyelid. I've never used a Rimmel London shadow palette, so let's see how it does. Okay, so now we're gonna use this really bright lilac color that's right here, and we're gonna this is so difficult. Okay, this color is not pigmented at all. Maybe if I press it, maybe it will work. Alright, well, we're just gonna move into the other eye. The colors show off so much better with this one where I apply the eye primer than this one where I applied the concealer. Now we're gonna go with the darker colors. Put some blue, purple right here. I'm gonna blend them in together. Now so I'm gonna use the blue one right here, and I'm gonna put it around it. I'm gonna put some concealer, and then that was gonna look really nice. If I'm applying concealer a way it can look really nice, I can pop the color to get on the foot more bright ass colors. Let me see. Last time I made the mistake of putting little, and I'm gonna put a lot. Bluest blue I have ever used. Wow, I'm amazed. I use the same brush, and we're gonna put shimmer. I don't know how it is. So putting, I think it's black. I think it's black. Yeah, it looks blue to me. But, huh, look at that. It turned out really good. I'll add some finishing touches like mascara. And it's done. Oh, look at guys, I'm amazed how it turned out. I don't know. I mean, you guys know me. I don't really use color, but not bad. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this look. Using this palette, let me know if I should do another look because there's so many colors here. I mean, like, just let me know what you guys want to see in my next video. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this look. I mean, should I use more color or something different? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment below what you think about it. Follow me on social media. I finally hit 3K on Twitter, Instagram, WordPress, Snapchat. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching.